He doesn't look amused.
This is 3-4 days after the snowstorm. I think got a total of 4 feet here, but it's melted off. This is Taylor's parents' house. They live up around over there. They got a view, but their driveway's not good. Buddy David, just picked up a new Kubota 75. He lives out in this area. He came through and was going to plow it yesterday, but he thought it was a little steep for his rig. So I said, well, I'll bring the 12 out and see. He's like, well, I can meet you there if you want. I said, sure. Let's see if we can get her done. I think we got another big storm coming in. So they're just going to stay with us. We just need to get the driveway usable. They got their one car out, but might get another one.
Well, it's been snowing a lot. Out doing some plowing. Out with here, Sam from V-Belt and Son, and we're gonna get this driveway going. It's steep. It's real steep. So he's gonna go with the 12 with the dozer blade to see how it goes.
Sweet tracks on there. Keeps wanting to turn around on that slope. I don't want to do that, man. Wow. Okay, it was at this point right here where I realized we are not going to get anywhere anytime soon. And every time I went up the hill, coming back down it, I got to use the blade, tilt it one way or the other to use it as a rudder so I can steer, because the skid steer is just sliding. It is, it's just skidding, it ain't steering. So we were kind of at the idea of, well, maybe we'll pull the plug, but look how much I'm just dragging right there, just trying to keep her going. And you know, they've been snowed in there for going on a week now. I only got one car for the family, and I just thought, you know what, I'm going to go over there. Got a buddy in the neighborhood. We're going to see if we can tackle this. But, boys, we were not getting anywhere anytime soon. And I would hate to, you know, slide off the side of this hillside with one of these 12s, because they're hard to get right now, and they're even more expensive than ever. So last thing I wanted to do was, well, for one, hurt myself, and I definitely don't want to hurt the rig and make even more problem than we already have.
Losing. I hate losing. There's a reason why I live down in Sutton Valley.
Right? As I saw Sue Hope,
Huh?
Sue, the supervisor.
Yeah.
I saw her at the radio yesterday, and she's like, "Come on down to Penn Valley, the daffodils are blowing." Like,
Oh, hi.
well, she's like, "I feel for you guys. What is it, another 14 inches or something?"
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Did you see the neighbor's driveway? It's like 4 feet deep.
Dang it! Well, this has been shoveled once.
The whole thing?
We shoveled from here all the way to Maria's office.
Ah.
On Saturday, we shoveled for like 4 hours.
Oh, you're giving me anxiety now. All right, let's see if I can make it back down the hill without dying.
Right? Hey, thanks for trying, Sam. I appreciate it.
Most of the effort was just getting here with the machine. Just got to get down the driveway one more time. You got to kick it one way or the other for your rudder.
Yeah, seriously. I go that way.
Well, we're sliding. Let's keep her
Well, we tried. Just too steep, not enough traction. If it was like this and just slough it off, flat ground, it's not a problem. Look at that old rig. Look, this is probably melted half of it. There's over 2 feet on the hood of that damn square body. Looks real nice out here though. So you see in my house, it got a little dust in the snow, 2-3 inches. It probably at idle, you know, it might have been 4 or so, maybe 5 inches total. But by the time it stops snowing and melts off and settles a little bit, it only looks a couple inches. But oh, look at your power line right there. Whack! Oh, it busted right there. There's a reason why I like to live down there in the valley. It says I don't like the snow too much, and I honestly, if I had the Mechalek here, I'd probably have made that up there. But I had to track the machine in about, well, this is starting to melt here, probably about a mile right thereabouts. And let's see if anybody ran into 408. I made the road wider, both sides pretty much, made it super wide right here. This is just kind of charity work, trying to make it easier for everybody that lives out here, because the county come through and they just plow it just barely wide enough. And if you got to pass somebody, it ain't quite good enough. So as I was going in, I just opened her up, but I got to go up there and turn around. So I'm just going to grab a truck and trailer and load up back there. It looks like the bad boy survived. But I cut this over, like you can see right here where it went down to the blacktop, 3.5 feet. I made that wider right here so people can pass. Did that down there for a little ways. I didn't want to be an inconvenience more than I already am. So, is that car coming? Yep. Grab my old cone, get the little buddy in 08, load up out of here. Taylor's folks are just going to stay with us. They have granny unit too, so I'm trying to get them to just bring all their stuff down, because we're about to get another 1 to 2 more feet of snow. All right, well, loaded up, threw in the towel. I was just telling Taylor, the only way I think to really achieve getting this shit taken care of, well, if you had a bigger machine, that'd be something else, but I don't know if residential homeowners like this old boy, he said he didn't have enough money to afford a generator, so I think his kids came over to help him shovel his car out. But you know, not a lot of people got enough money to hire somebody to do that, so you bring in a smaller rig and you just charge a flat fee and you come and knock these things out. But realistically, you need to hit them several times, because the snow is too thick and the water weight's just too much in it. It's not fluff. This stuff is, it's heavy. Man, that's bright. But, oh well, we tried. At least I've patched up the road getting in and out of here, so they'll be happy about that. Just maybe I had some better tracks on this thing with some cleats, but even then, start sliding downhill sideways ain't good.